नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 9th के हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस में हिस्ट्री लेसन नंबर 5 एजुकेशन इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। दोस्तों, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाय कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 5 एजुकेशन, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया? चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, द साइंटिस्ट हु डेवलप्ड द परम 8000 सुपर कंप्यूटर्स। डॉक्टर विजय भाटकर, डॉक्टर आर.एस. दवे, पी पार्थ सारथी, नन ऑफ द अबव। द आंसर इज डॉक्टर विजय भाटकर। Dr. Vijay Bhatkar developed the Param 8000 supercomputer. Now next. Second, the magazine Jeevan Shikshan is published by the following institute: Bal Bharati, University Education Commission, MSCRT, Vidya Pradhikaran. The answer is Vidya Pradhikaran. The magazine Jeevan Shikshan is published by the Vidya Pradhikaran. Now next. Third, the educational institute called IIT is famous for education in the area of dash: agriculture, medicine, skilled manager, engineering. The answer is engineering. The educational institution called IIT is famous for education in the area of engineering. Now next question करते हैं. Second, complete the activity as per the given instructions. First, complete the table below the details about individuals in the education field and their work. Individual work: Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, first education minister of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, chairman of the University Education Commission. Professor Syed Rauf, preparing draft of a common statewide curriculum for standard 1 to 7. Anutai Waq, Kosbar project. Now next question करते हैं. Second, obtain information about the National Council of Education Research and Training from the internet and present it in the form of a timeline. Year, event: 1961, NCERT established. 1968, first national policy statement on education formulated. The policy recommended the adoption of the countrywide uniform pattern of school education consisting of 10 years of general education followed by 2 years of diversified schooling. 1975, framework for the 10-year school program implemented curriculum, research and development activities to adopt content and educational process to Indian continent. 1988, the national curriculum for elementary and secondary education. It was revised curriculum framework modeled on the National Policy Education. 1986, it envisioned 12 years of school education and struggle curriculum reorientation. 2000, National Curriculum Framework for School Education. It emphasized the need for a healthy, enjoyable and stress-free childhood and recommended reduction of the curricular load. New subject like environmental education were included. Now next question करते हैं. Third, explain the following statements with reasons. First, the district primary education program was undertaken. The answer is first, removal of literacy was a serious challenge before the government of India as the percentage of literacy was only 17% in 1951. Second, several remedial measures were taken for removal of illiteracy. Third, Operation Blackboard was undertaken in 1988 for the spread of primary education and improve educational standards. Fourth, in 1994, for universalization of primary education, the government of India undertook the district primary education program. Now next. Second, the NCERT was established. The answer is first, to help the government of India in matters related to school education. Second, to frame comprehensive policy and implement educational schemes. Third, to undertake educational research, training, extension educational programs, structuring or restructuring of school curriculum and textbooks. Fourth, to undertake these responsibilities, the government of India established the National Council of Education Research and Training NCERT on 1st September 1961. Now next. Third, the farmers have benefited by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. The answer is first, Indian Agricultural Research Institute undertakes various activities for the development of agriculture. Second, these activities include research, well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural science and economic botany. Third, it undertakes research on wheat, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and problems related to agriculture. Fourth, Its most significant achievement has been fundamental research on method of harvesting multiple crops in a year. It maintains the biggest agriculture-related library in the country. Thus, the farmer have benefited by the work of the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Now, next question करते हैं. 4. Write short notes on. First, Indira Gandhi National Open University. The answer is first, Indira Gandhi National Open University or IGNOU was established on 20th September 1985. Second, the objective behind the establishment of the Open University was that the stream of education should make its way into every average household of the country. Third, those who are unable to get college education in the formal way are given concessions in eligibility criteria, age and other conditions for admissions to the IGNOU. Fourth, the IGNOU started audio-visual distance education program in 1990 through Akashvani Radio and Doordarshan. Fifth, it conducts more than 1,000 courses in various branches. Sixth, it provides facility for education through 58 centers in India and 41 outside India. Now next, second Kothari Commission. The answer is first, the Government of India appointed an education commission under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari in 1964. Second, the commission recommended educational pattern of 10+2+3 for secondary, higher secondary and university education. This recommendation was implemented for 1972. Third, it also recommended an implementation of uniform national system of education that would include mother tongue, Hindi and English languages. Fourth, it recommended provisions for continuing education, adult education, education by correspondence and open university to make education trickle down to the lowest rung of the society. Fifth, it suggested increased provision for education in the budget for expenditure to be incurred on the education of the weaker, that is the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now next, third Bhabha Atomic Research Center. The answer is first, the Government of India has established Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC in Mumbai. Second, it conducts valuable research in nuclear physics, solid state physics, spectroscopy, chemical and life sciences. Third, it has also started a school to train scientists for setting up nuclear reactors. Now next, fourth Bal Bharti. The answer is, this is a logo of Bal Bharti. First, the Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research was established in Pune on 27 January 1967. It is popularly known as Bal Bharti. Second, textbooks are prepared in the following 8 languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Kannada, Sindhi, Gujarati and Telugu. Third, textbooks are prepared for school children by Bal Bharti. Fourth, Bal Bharti published Kishore, a monthly magazine for children. Now next question करते हैं. Fifth question में क्या दिया गया? Answer the following questions in details. First, which programs were included in the Operation Blackboard scheme? The answer is first, the Government of India launched the Operation Blackboard in 1988 to spread primary education and improve the standard of education. Second, the government made available funds to improve the infrastructure of school to fulfill minimum educational needs. This includes first, minimum 2 proper classrooms and toilets. Second, one of the 2 teachers to be female teacher. Third, blackboard, maps, laboratory apparatus, a small library, playground and sports equipment. Third, this scheme was expanded in 1994. The provision was made for 1 additional classroom and 1 additional teacher in school having enrollment of 100 students. Fourth, priority was given to the girls' school and schools having majority of students from the scheduled caste and tribes and the schools in the rural areas. Fifth, appointment of 50% female teachers was made binding on the state governments. Sixth, this scheme gave momentum to primary education in India. Now next, second, what role do the agriculture school or colleges play in the development of agriculture? The answer is first, agricultural school teach basic agricultural technique to their students. Second, they impart education about scientific techniques and research in agricultural science. Third, they undertake soil testing and give advice about crops suitable for the soil of the farmers. Fourth, they are the link between lab and land and undertake agricultural extension work. Fifth, The extension officers of the agricultural college give information about the good quality seeds, chemical fertilizers and irrigation techniques. Sixth, they undertake demonstration experiments on the land of the farmers. Thus, their guidance is helpful to the development of agriculture. Now next, third, describe with examples the progress that India has made in the field of medicine. The answer is first, the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR was established in 1949. Second, ICMR has started 26 centers in the different part of the country on various diseases. Their research has made it possible to control tuberculosis and leprosy. Third, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences or AIIMS gave further impetus to advanced education and research in medicine. Fourth, undergraduate and postgraduate education and research in most branches of medicine are available in the medical colleges. Fifth, AIIMS provides medical treatment to common people at nominal rates. It has started college for training in nursing and super specialty center for the treatment of disorders of heart, brain and eyes. Sixth, the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education undertake treatment, research and education related to cancer. Now next, fourth, write a note on the curricular and co-curricular activities conducted in your school. The answer is, our school has a host of curricular and co-curricular activities for students of all standards. Some of these include: first, debate; second, extemporary; third, science fair; fourth, quiz competition; fifth, dance, drama and music event. The Sports Day celebration in our school is a big annual event that brings together the entire school to celebrate sports and the spirit of sportsmanship. Individual events like high jump, short distance race and swimming see active participation from all classes. For team events like a relay race, football, basketball and kabaddi, students are divided into groups with respect to their houses. The events take place in the school ground in high spirits. Even the teachers get enthusiastic about the competition. The podium finishers are selected to represent the school in the inter-school competition. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 5 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.